In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add task in Asana. To begin, open the project where you want the task to live. In Asana, every task belongs to a specific project, so starting in the right place ensures your work stays organized and visible to the people who need it. Navigate to the project from your sidebar or recent projects and make sure you're in the correct workspace. Next, click the Add Task button. Where you find this depends on the view you're using. In List View, it appears at the top of your task list so you can quickly add a new line. In Board View, it shows up as an empty card you can add to the relevant column. If you're in Calendar View, you can click on a date to create a task directly for that day. No matter the view, you're creating the same kind of task in the same project, just from a different angle. Type your task name, keep it short but clear so anyone scanning the project understands what needs to happen. Examples might be edit client video number 12, upload raw footage, or send client update. If you work with recurring processes, consider using a consistent naming convention so tasks are easy to find later. When you're happy with the title, press enter to save. Your task is now created and visible in the project. From here, add details to make the task actionable. Click the task to open the right side panel. Assign the work to the correct person so ownership is clear. Set a due date to anchor timing and surface the task in calendar-based views. Use the description to provide context, links, or checklists that explain what done looks like. If the work has multiple parts, create subtasks to break it down into manageable steps while keeping everything under the same parent task. Attach files, cloud drive links, or images so resources live with the task, not scattered across apps. Add tags to group related work across projects, which can help with filtering and reporting. If your team uses custom fields, such as status, priority, or effort, fill those in to standardize information and support dashboards. That's it. You opened the right project, added a task from your current view, named it clearly, and enriched it with details that make the work trackable and easy to manage. A few extra seconds spent on assignee, dates, and context will save time later and help your team move faster together.